Access the EWU Zoom page by typing ewu.zoom.us into the address bar and hitting enter. Next, click Sign In on the upper right-hand corner of the website. Enter your EWU Net ID and password. After logging in, click Meetings in the sidebar on the left. Under Upcoming Meetings, click Schedule a New Meeting. Enter your meeting name and meeting description and set the meeting time. Edit the meeting's settings, and when you're done, click Save at the bottom. Next, click Start this meeting to open Zoom. When prompted, click Open Zoom Meetings. Once Zoom opens, click Join with Computer Audio, and your meeting will begin. Once signed in, click Meetings in the left-hand sidebar. Copy the meeting ID of the meeting you wish to join. Next, open a new tab and enter ewu.zoom.us into the address bar. Paste the meeting ID into the text box and click Join. Click Open Zoom Meetings. Once Zoom opens, click Join with Computer Audio to begin the meeting. Once signed in, click Meetings on the left-hand sidebar. Select the tab that says Personal Meeting Room. Copy the provided meeting ID or join URL and send to any invitees. Once you are ready to begin the meeting, click Start Meeting in the upper right-hand corner. Click Open Zoom Meetings when prompted to launch Zoom. Once Zoom opens, click Join with Computer Audio and your meeting will begin.